How to reopen Snapchat already viewed. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you reopen Snapchat already viewed. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Snapchat and make sure you are logged in with your account. And now from here you'll have to go with the options friends. So simply tap on the friend section. On this case, most of the people think that we can't reopen or review the Snapchat that are already viewed. So here I will give you information that we can also reopen the Snapchat after viewing that once, but you can only reopen that Snapchat you have already viewed. So you got a chance to reopen it by one chance. So for that, you'll have to open the conversation. So alright, as you can see, I have already reopened the Snapchat and I have also expelled the one chance of reopen Snapchat already viewed. So for the one chance, you will have to hold that snap we want to reopen. So you have to hold that snap, and now after holding that you will got options like reopen here. So it will appear on the upper side of report section. So like you can see, I have only got the options report, so here is no any options to reopen. So in your case you will surely got this options reopen. So this is the easiest and simplest method to reopen Snapchat that you have been already viewed. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.